Impact-resistant glass, what is it? Impact-resistant glass can handle heavy forces, yet won't shatter or break easily. It is more durable and safer than regular glass. This type of glass could be the right choice for your business or home if your property is in a high-traffic area, a violent weather zone, or an area prone to burglary. How impact-resistant glass is made. Polyvinyl butyryl, PVB, and ethylene vinyl acetate, EVA, are tough, rubbery interlayers used to laminate glass into impact-resistant sheets. It may combine laminated and tempered glass layers, with tempered exteriors for strength and impact-absorbing interiors. Without PVB bonding, cracked glass may shatter. The benefits of impact-resistant glass. This glass combines strength, resilience, and durability to protect your family and property from break-ins, severe weather, and accidents. It insulates against extreme temperatures, blocks UV light, reduces noise, and enhances energy efficiency. Impact-resistant glass versus traditional glass. Strength, safety, and longevity are all areas where impact-resistant glass excels above regular glass. When struck, impact-resistant glass will stay whole rather than break into sharp pieces, making it a safer alternative to regular glass. You can save a ton of money in the long run by using impact-resistant glass because it is less likely to break and need repairs or replacement. For tailored advice and to learn which options are best suited to your specific circumstances, see an expert. Call Raben Glass to schedule an appointment and receive additional information about the glass options available in your area. Our company has over 40 years of experience in the residential and commercial glass industry. We are bonded and insured, and our work and products are guaranteed. Ready to get started? Give us a call.